What's going on, guys? Alan Weiser here. Listen, today I know most of you guys get so confused on how to track your macros and how to make your meal plans based on your specific macros, if you even know them. Your proteins, carbs, and fats. Let's get this going. All right, listen. So you have your daily allowance of your proteins, carbs, and fats. However you got your macros, you got them either through me, some other specialist, or you got them yourself. I have no idea. But what are we going to do? We're going to get your daily allowance, and we're going to find out how many meals that you have per day. Okay, if you have 3 meals, 5 meals, I would recommend somewhere in between 3 to 5. We're going to do 3 to 5 meals. Boom, that's your meal allowance now. So what are you going to do? You're going to do your proteins, carbs, and fats. Eat individually, divide them by how many meals you're going to have, and that's going to be your meal allowance. Okay, once you find your meal allowance, you're going to have X amount of the macro, so X amount of protein, X amount of carb, and X amount of fat per meal. So if I have 5 meals, let's see right here. If I have 5 meals, that means I divide my daily allowance of protein, divide that by 5, and now I have X amount for my protein for that one meal. Okay, now we're going to do that for all the meals, and that's going to be the meal plan. How are we going to make the meal plan? Now that we know the numbers, how are we going to make the meals? You're going to grab a protein source, any protein source that's low in fat. Grab some lean chicken, some lean meat, whatever you need. And then we're going to get a carb source that's also low in fat. So potatoes, whatever you guys want. Okay? You're going to just put that into your meals. You're going to scale it out. Boom. You're going to put that in your meals. You're going to scale it out. You're going to find out what fits those meals. And then you're going to make your meal plan for the day. And then you're going to times that by 7. And we're going to make a week plan. Okay? But first, if you guys want to just get started with just trying it out, make a meal plan for the day and try that out and see how you guys like it. Okay? For example, we got Timmy right here. Timmy wants to lose weight and keep muscle. Okay? I got Timmy in at a daily allowance of 2,200 calories. Okay? He's 208 pounds and he's 5'8". Okay? He's got some excess fat and he's got some bitch tits. He's got the torpedo titties and he wants to get rid of them. Okay? So I got him at 2,200 calories, 192 protein, 248 carbs, 49 grams of fat. Now, Timmy told me specifically that he can only have 3 meals. Okay? So I said, no problem, Timmy. We're going to just divide it by 3. Boom. 192 divided by 3. We got 64 per meal. So he's going to have 64 grams of protein per meal. Now, this is going to ensure him to get to his goal because he's already done the math. Once he's weighed out his chicken to get 64 grams of protein per meal, he's going to get up to that 192 after his 3 meals. It's just inevitable. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. We're going to do the same thing for the carbs, and we're going to do the same thing for the fats. But the fats, we're going to go actually lower. So, go lower on your fats. If you get under 16, great. If you get right at 16, that's still fine. As long as you're under or at your fats for the day. We're trying to stay away from the fats, all right? That's what's going to keep us fat. And a lot of people misconceive that, but that's the truth. All right, so after this, you're going to be getting 1 pound per week off of Timmy's body, okay? Timmy's going to be happy after a good 3 months of shredding. He's going to be diced. He's going to have the six-pack, cookie-cutter workouts. We're going to get him all set up, all right? Doesn't that sound easy? If that does not sound easy, then where are you? Where are you sleeping at night? Come on now. So, what do we just talk about? Get your daily allowance, get your meal allowance from dividing it by how many meals, and get lean. Listen, I really don't understand how it can get simpler. It really can't. So all you guys need to do is just take action, take that first leap forward, put one foot in front of the other. Don't think about how hard it's going to be to do all this math. Take it a step at a time, okay? Learn your goddamn daily allowance first. Say, okay, I need 100 grams of protein per day. So I got to have 20 grams of protein per meal if I'm going to have 5, right? Okay, so do that in the beginning. Start doing that. Start weighing the chicken to get 20 grams per meal and just start doing that. Start weighing your potatoes to get whatever carbs you need for the day. Just start doing it slowly and you'll get it. This is how we start. All right, you don't start riding a bike full speed. We got to get the training wheels on. So just start doing a little bit, break it down, and eventually you'll be able to meal plan or meal prep for your whole week. And it's so simple. I'm telling you, this shit is not rocket science, okay? Anybody can do this. You can lose the fat that's on your body. You just need a little bit of a push, okay? A little bit of effort is all you need, okay? All you need is the right blueprint and a little bit of effort, and we can get that fat off of you. Let's get this going. Stop waiting. Let's get rolling on this. Spread your wings and fly. Go.